Welcome, today in front of me TCL NxtPaper 10s, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first, let's launch Gmail application, and now we can see that we are logged in here into the Gmail account. And if you want to log out from Gmail account in Gmail app, you should log out from Google account on your device. So just first click here to manage accounts on this device and tap on this account. After that, click here to remove account and tap to remove account again. Now just tap here to OK and enter password to drop the pattern if you have some applied unlock methods on your device. Now with Google account settings, we can see that we are logged out from the Gmail account, and let's go back to the application. Let's refresh it, and now we can see that we are logged in also from Gmail account in our Gmail app. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.